If you also thought that Microsoft has lost the smartphone war, then think again. Because the company is still making some kick-ass apps for both Android and iOS that you should definitely try.
What is up guys, I'm Aditya from ForceWatch.com back with another video. Today let's talk about some apps that are made by Microsoft not for your PC but for your phone. And seriously, these are some pretty good alternatives if you want to take a break from Google for a while. The list includes some well-known apps and some useful apps like Microsoft Translator and Microsoft Authenticator. Also do wait till the end because you will get a freshly baked bonus app that is worth giving a try. Now with that said, let's get started.
The first app in our list is Microsoft Launcher. This Microsoft app is only available for Android because it is a launcher and it comes loaded with tons of features, a nice and tight UI and lots of gestures that you can configure as per your needs. But its USP is that you can use Microsoft Launcher to connect your Android phone with your Windows 10 PC and access the timeline feature. Just go to the launcher settings, then tap on your feed and here you can enable the timeline. After this, all the activity history from your Windows 10 PC is synced with your Android phone, provided you have enabled the timeline on your PC. Sadly, the reverse is not possible as of now. Here, you can go one step further and install the Cortana app that will let you sync your Android notifications with your PC. Now, just like digital well-being, Microsoft Launcher has a screen time feature of its own. It can show your daily usage stats, most used apps, most opened apps, and you can also see a summary of the last 7 days to get a better idea of your smartphone usage. Coming on to the second Microsoft app for Android and iOS, here is Microsoft To-Do List that can help you plan your day. Microsoft To-Do List app lets you create tasks, add reminders, due dates, any extra notes, and you can also create multiple subtasks or steps under to-do entry. You can tap this little bulb icon to see the smart suggestions from the AI that is built into this app. This productivity app lets you create your own custom list where you can invite your friends to view and edit the content of the list. You can customize the app with lots of eye-catchy themes and colors also. Overall, it is very simple to use, but you can't take notes with this app, so I'll prefer using it alongside Google Keep. Now here, if you want a replacement for Google Keep, then you can try Microsoft's OneNote, which is also a note-taking app just like Google Keep. Now the next Microsoft app for your smartphone is Microsoft Authenticator. As the name says, you can use this free app to authenticate your account logins on your Android and iOS devices. I mean, you can use this app to enable two-factor authentication instead of getting an SMS on your phone. After installing the app, you'll have to link your accounts. First of all, it is obvious that the app supports all of Microsoft services. So after linking, you can authenticate your Microsoft account logins simply by accepting the notification on your phone. But you can also set up work accounts and third-party services like Slack, Facebook, GitHub, and all others which support app-based two-factor authentication. But for these services, you will mostly have to use the temporary one-time password that is supplied by the app. Microsoft Authenticator is a very good alternative to other free apps like Google Authenticator and Authy. My next favorite Microsoft app is SMS Organizer. As I've already told you in a previous video, the reason why I like this app a lot is convenience. Because for the people who live in India, copying one-time passwords from text messages is a real pain. And this app makes that process buttery smooth. You just need to copy the OTP from the notifications. Another feature which makes your life easier is that you can schedule the messages for future dates. For example, if you forget to wish people on occasions and SMS is still your thing, then you can write these wishes in advance. Also, all your messages are sorted into different categories, like you have personal, transactions, promotions, and you also have this new category where all the offers and deals from your inbox are displayed. Now the next Microsoft app for Android and iOS is also very popular. It is called Office Lens. It helps you scan things like documents, business cards, and save them digitally. So what you need to do is point your smartphone's camera on a document and leave the rest of the business to the app. You can choose between different scanning modes like whiteboard, document, business card, and photo. After the scanning is done, you can add text, annotations, and crop and rotate the content before getting the final output. Office Lens also has an inbuilt reader that can read out the content from your scanned documents. The next app in the list is Microsoft Translator. Just like other language translation apps, you can use this free app to translate and understand different languages. You can translate a language by using your voice, by typing sentences, or you can just point your camera at some text and the translation happens in real time. But the standout feature of this app is the conversation mode that you can use to talk with different people who speak different languages. Just create a group and let others scan the QR code. And then whatever you say will be shown on their devices in their language. And now let me give you the bonus freshly baked Microsoft app that I talked about in the beginning. It is called Hummingbird and it is a news app just like Microsoft News. But the catch here is that all the news stories are curated using Microsoft's AI to make the content as relevant as possible. For now, it is only available in the US, but you can download it from APK Mirror, so I've included the download link in the description below.
So folks, that is all for now. These were some Microsoft made apps for your Android and iPhone. Now time has come to use that comment section down below, so tell me if I missed any of your favorite app or if you have any suggestions to make, and I'll try to follow them in my upcoming videos. If you like this video, then give me a thumbs up. If you loved it, then hit the subscribe, hit the bell icon, and more awesome content will be delivered to you real soon. Now you can do anything you want, but don't forget to share this video with your friends, with your family, with your pets, and also with your enemies. And I'll talk to you in the next one.